So I notice that there are many objects in front of me. And when you draw objects that are non-living, it's called a still life. So I'm going to look at the different objects in my still life and I'm going to try and break them into big shapes. Like I noticed that this pumpkin, yes, there are bumps in it, but when I start, I'm going to start lightly and I'm going to draw the basic shape, which I see is sort of like an oval. Since I have a large piece of paper, I'm going to use all of the space and make the objects nice and big. I'm going to draw from looking, but also want to make sure that I fill my space. As I work, I'm starting really light while I block in those basic shapes. For example, the leaves, I'm not going to try and draw every single edge. I'm also going to not try and count and draw every little thing I see. I just want to draw the basic shapes. Okay, I have most of the shapes planned out and drawn in. So if I have time, I can go back and I can sort of start to refine the shapes. Like I noticed that my pumpkin has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bumps. It's helpful to count when you're drawing from observation. Now I can go back and I can press a little bit harder so that I can create the shapes that I see in front of me and not just those basic shapes that I saw before. I'm going to try and make them look a little bit more detailed. However, today I am only going to be doing the lines. I'm not going to be doing any shading or texture. I'm just going to try and draw the shapes that I see. And it's okay if you don't get all of them done. There is a lot to draw here, especially really detailed objects like the pine cone that you can see me drawing right now. The best thing that you can do is to really look at the objects. If you don't know how to draw something, you just need to look at it closely and try and draw what you see and do the best that you can. Great job, friends.